Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to change the blades in a Cub Cadet XT1 lawnmower with a 46-inch deck. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This mower includes a manual PTO lever for the deck drive belt to engage the blades. For safety, you may begin this procedure by disconnecting the negative cable from the battery and disconnecting the spark plug wire from the spark plug. You may also disconnect the deck drive belt by hand. None of these options were shown in this video because the deck drive belt was already loose. While loosening the fastener at the bottom of the spindle, the blade was held by a piece of wood. With the fastener removed, the blade is set free to also be removed. The blade removal process was repeated for the second blade on the left side. As will be seen, the spindle shaft and second blade were damaged at the star-shaped mounting point of the spindle shaft. This was caused by an impact with the root. The spindle will need to be replaced, but due to part availability, it was recorded on a separate video. With the blades removed, we can compare the old with the new. Aside from the damage mentioned, the old blades had normal wear and a few nicks at the cutting edge. The new blade on the damaged spindle was hand tightened for demonstration purposes only. Again, the spindle will be properly replaced on a separate video. The proper installation of a new blade on a working spindle starts with hand tightening the fastener. Once the fastener is close to the star mounting pattern on the spindle, ensure that the blade is aligned properly while tightening the blade by hand. With the hand tightening stopped, a socket may be used to tighten further. The fastener is then torqued to specification using a torque wrench to finish the process. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.